Hello, hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to my channel, Maths for All. Yesterday, NTA released admit cards. I think all you got admit cards. So that means countdown starts for JEE 2020 second phase. Okay, so for this, from today onwards, I am going to upload two videos every day, which consist of concepts along with some important models, which consist of two chapters every day. I will upload. So don't miss the videos. Please watch and crack IIT JEE. All the best to all of you. So let's go. So the very first chapter is indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. In this chapter, so let us discuss some models which was given in the previous JEE mains, that is 2019 and 2020 January. Okay, so in definite integration, from definite integration, he may ask very easy questions, especially so the questions based on substitution method. If you learn the substitution method from definite and indefinite integration, it is enough. It is enough, I think, right? So let us see how the questions are look like. So the question, but the first question is like this: integral dx by x cube into 1 plus x to the power of 6 whole to the power of 2 by 3. He may ask the question like this almost. Right. How do you evaluate this question? So very simple, very simple. This dx by, these are all previous mains questions. So integral dx by x cube into 1 plus x power 6 whole power 2 by 3. Right. So in this bracket, what is highest power of x? It is x power 6. So take x power 6 as a common term from this bracket. So what will you get? So x cube is there. Take x power 6 common from this bracket. So what will you get? X power 6 whole power 2 by 3 will get. So x power 6 whole power 2 by 3 into, this is 1 by x to the power of 6 plus 1 whole to the power of 2 by 3. Whole to the power of 2 by 3. Achha. So this is nothing but, so first write this term is like this: 1 by x to the power of 6 plus 1 whole to the power of minus 2 by 3. Am I correct? Achha, right. So this one, so 1 by x power 6 whole power 2 by 3, this is nothing but x to the power of 4. So x cube into x to the power of 4 is x power 7. It is 1 by x to the power of 7 dx. 1 by x to the power of 7 dx. Achha. So now, do you know the derivative of 1 by x power n? 1 by x power n, d by dx of 1 by x power n is minus n by x to the power of n plus 1. This is the derivative of 1 by x power n. d by dx of 1 by x power n is minus n by x to the power of n plus 1. Achha. So now, what is the derivative of this term? What is the derivative of 1 by x to the power of 6? According to that formula, the derivative of 1 by x to the power of 6 is minus 6 by x to the power of 6 plus 1, it is x power 7. So the derivative of 1 by x to the power of 6 is minus 6 by x to the power of 7, and of course the derivative of 1 is 0. So that means the derivative of this inner term is minus 6 by x to the power of 7. Minus 6 by x to the power of 7. So just I am going to multiply and divide with minus 6. Why? Because let me explain. So it's minus 1 by 6 into 1 by x to the power of 6 plus 1 whole to the power of minus 2 by 3 into, this is minus 6 by x to the power of 7 dx. Minus 6 by x to the power of 7 dx. See, this minus 6 and this minus 6 gets cancelled, you get the same thing. So why you multiply and divide with minus 6? Let me explain. So this is of the form, now this integral is of the form integral f dash of x into, this integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. If any integral is of the form, f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx, the integration for this is f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here integration is integration constant, as you all know. So this is very important formula. Integral f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x dx is equals to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. See, this is, let us assume 1 by x to the power of 6 plus 1 is f of x, and the derivative of 1 by x to the power of 6 plus 1 is minus 6 by x to the power of 7. So clearly it is of the form f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x dx. So here f of x means 1 by x to the power of 6 plus 1, and here n means minus 2 by 3. N means minus 2 by 3. So just apply the formula. So minus 1 by 6 into 1 by x to the power of 6 plus 1 f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Minus 2 by 3 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 by 3. So plus 1 by 3 by this is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. So this 3 cancels 6 2 times. The final answer should be like this: minus 1 by 2 into 1 by x to the power of 6 plus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus c. This is the question which was asked in 2019 mains. See how easy it is. How easy it is. It's very, very easy questions. So this model questions you are asking frequently in JEE mains. Very, very important model. Right? Let us discuss some more models. Right. The next question is like this: integral square root of 1 minus x square by x to the power of 4 dx. Integral square root of 1 minus x power 4 by x to the power of 4 dx. This is also the previous mains question. This is also the previous question. Let us see how difficult it is. Let us see. Ooh. So this 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2. In this square root, what is highest power of x? X square. Take x square as a common term. So we'll get x outside. It will become 1 by x square minus 1. Isn't it? Whole by x to the power of 4 dx. Whole by x to the power of 4 dx. Right. So this is 1 by x square minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Am I correct? Square root is nothing but whole to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by x square minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now this x cancels x power 4. One time it will become 1 by x cube. 1 by x cube dx. Same model question. Same model question. Now, just now I said the derivative of x 1 by x power n is minus n by x to the power of n plus 1. So the derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. What is the derivative of 1 by x square? Minus 2 by x cube. What is the derivative of 1 by x square? Minus 2 by x cube. What is the derivative of minus 1? 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now I'm going to multiply and divide with minus 2. Minus. So 1 by x square minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 2 into this is minus 2 by x cube dx. This is also the previous question. See how easy it is. How easy it is. So 1 by x square minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 8 into minus 2 by x cube. So what is the derivative of 1 by x square? Minus 2 by x cube. What is the derivative of 1 by x square? Minus 2 by x cube. Again it is at the form f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x dx. Just apply the previous formula. Same model formula. So minus 1 by 2 into f of x whole power n into f dash of x formula. F of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 is 1 by x square minus 1 whole to the power of the 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. And the answer for this question is minus 1 by 3 into 1 by x square minus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus. See how easy it is. This type of questions only it was asking in the mains examination. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Once revise all those models like this. Clear? Let us discuss the next model. The next question is like this. See, integral 3x to the power of 13 plus 2x to the power of 11 whole by 2x to the power of 4 plus 3x square plus 1 whole to the power of 4 dx. 3x to the power of 13 plus 2x to the power of 11 whole by 2x to the power of 4 plus 3x square plus 1 whole to the power of 4. It's very difficult question. It looks like. No, it is also the very easy question. Similar model question like this. 3x to the power of 13 plus 2x to the power of 11. Yes, same model. Once observe the terms in this bracket. What is the highest power of x in this bracket? 4. So take x power 4 common from this bracket. So what will get? X to the power of 16 will get x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 4. So if you take x power 4 as a common term from this bracket, so let us see what are the terms which remains in the bracket. 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 dx. Clear? 2 plus 3 by x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 dx. Achha. So now take this x power 16 to the numerator and split it. So 3x cube by x to the power of 16, it is 3 by x cube, plus 2x to the power of 11 by x to the power of 16 is 2 by x to the power of 5, isn't it? Understood or not? Okay. Whole by 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 4 dx. Whole to the power of 4 dx. Right. So now here I am going to take the substitution. So what do you take the substitution, sir? Let me explain. So I am going to take the substitution as 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 as a substitution. That is t. Let 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 as t. Right. So in indefinite integration, if you take the substitution, immediately you have to differentiate it. So let us take the differentiation on both sides. So what is the derivative of 2? 0. What is the derivative of 1 by x square? 1 by x square derivative minus 2 by x cube. So already 3 is there. So it is minus 6 by x cube. Minus 6 by x cube. What is the derivative of 1 by x to the power of 4? 1 by x to the power of 4 derivative minus 4 by x to the power of 5. 1 by x power n derivative minus n by x to the power of n plus 1. The derivative of 1 by x to the power of 4 is minus 4 by x to the power of 5 dx is equals to dt. So take minus 2 common from this. So take minus 2 common from this. Then what is the remaining term? So this is 3 by x cube plus 2 by x to the power of 5 dx is equals to, take this minus 2 to that side. It is dt by minus 2. Right? Just once observe the numerator. 3 by x cube. Achha, here it is. 2 by x to the power, that is also there now. So 3 by x cube plus 2 by x to the power of 5 dx is nothing but dt by minus 2. dt by minus 2. And what is this? 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is t. So it is t to the power of 4. So just replace. The entire numerator is dt by minus 2. Of course, minus 1 by 2 is a constant. You can write outside of the integration by t to the power of 4. T to the power of 4. So now this you can repeat it as minus 1 by 2 into t to the power of minus 4 dt. T to the power of minus 4 dt. In integration, what is the integration for x to the power of n? The integration for x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So the integration for this is t to the power of minus 4 plus 1. That is t power minus 3 by minus 3. T power minus 3 by minus 3. So minus 1 by 2 into t power minus 3 by minus 3. By minus. So final answer for this question is 1 by 6 into t to the power of minus 3 can be written as 1 by t cube. Don't forget to replace t. So it's 1 by, here t means 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 whole cube plus c. This is the process to evaluate this type of questions. Very, very important model. Frequently asked models. These are very, very important models. Okay. Next question is like this: integral sine power n theta minus sine theta whole to the power of n whole by sine to the power of n plus 1 theta into cos theta d theta. Integral sine to the power of n theta minus sine theta whole to the power of n by sine to the power of n plus 1 theta into cos theta. Oh, it looks like it's a very difficult question, I think. Let us see. Same model. Again, it is the same model. See, once observe this bracket. What is the highest power of sine? Sine power n. Take sine power n theta as a common term. What do you get outside? Sine power n theta whole to the power of n. We'll get sine theta outside. Sine theta. So sine power n theta as a common term now. So it is 1 minus. There is no sine power n. There is only sine theta. So it is 1 by sine to the power of n minus 1 into theta whole to the power of 1 by n. Whole to the power of 1 by n. Whole by sine to the power of n plus 1 into theta into cos theta d theta. Into cos theta d theta. Acha. Now the remaining term, write carefully. So 1 minus, see this can be written as sine theta whole to the power of minus n plus 1, right? 1 by sine power n minus 1. So this is nothing but sine power minus of n minus 1. So the minus n plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 whole to the power of 1 by n, whole to the power of 1 by n into cos theta by sine power n plus 1 theta d theta, n plus 1 theta d theta, right? After that, what we have to do, sir? See, I am going to take the substitution again. Put 1 minus sine theta whole to the power of, sine theta whole to the power of, this sine theta cancels in one time, no? Sorry. So it becomes sine theta, sine power n theta. The sine theta cancels in sine power n plus 1 theta one time. So it will become sine power n theta. Okay. So 1 minus sine theta whole to the power of minus n plus 1 is t. Let us take the substitution. Achha. So apply the differentiation on both sides. So whenever you take the substitution, immediately you can apply the differentiation on both sides. The derivative of 1 is 0 minus. This is of the form x to the power of n. That is of the form x to the power of n. What is the derivative of x to the power of n? The derivative of x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. The derivative of sine theta whole to the power of minus n plus 1 is minus n plus 1 into sine theta whole to the power of minus n plus 1 minus 1. It is minus n. Now the inner term derivative is cos theta d theta is equals to dt. Achha. So this is cos theta by sine theta whole to the power of minus n can be written as sine theta whole to the power of n d theta is equals to just multiply with minus n. Minus into minus plus n minus 1. So this is dt by n minus 1. dt by n minus 1. So if we take 1 minus sine theta whole to the power of minus 1 plus 1 as t, then this entire term cos theta by sine theta whole power and d theta is nothing but dt by n minus 1 simply. So now the given question can be written as integral. This entire term is t to the power of 1 by n, and cos theta by sine theta power n d theta is equal to dt by n minus 1. Here 1 by n minus 1 is a constant. Now apply the integration. What is integration for x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is integration for t power 1 by n? So t power 1 by n plus 1 by 1 by n plus 1. So this is the process to evaluate this type of question. See, observe, all the models are same now. These are all previous mains questions. This type of models only was asking in the mains. Once revise all those models like this, automatically you can answer the question from the indefinite integration. It's not a difficult task. It is a very simple task. Okay. Just simplify that. Automatically you'll get the answer. Simplify and replace the. Automatically you'll get the answer. Just learn the process. Clear? Okay. Now this question is for you. Post the answer in the comment box. Similar model question. Now this question is for you. Integral 5x to the power of 8 plus 7x to the power of 6 whole by x square plus 1 plus 2x to the power of 7 whole square dx. Similar model question. 5x to the power of 8 plus 7x to the power of 6 by whole by x square plus 1 plus 2x to the power of 7 whole square dx. Similar model question. Okay, do it and post the answer in the comment box. I will wait for it. Okay. Okay, so now sometimes he may ask the questions like this. Integral integral. This is also the previous question. Tan x plus tan alpha. Tan x plus tan alpha. This is also the important model for mains. Tan x minus tan alpha. Tan x minus tan alpha is equals to ax into cos 2 alpha. Ax into cos 2 alpha. So, I mean a of x into cos 2 alpha plus b of x into sin 2 alpha. B of x into sin 2 alpha. Then he is asking about what are a of x and b of x. So, this is also important model for JEE. So, let us consider the question. This is dx. So, the question is. So, in the question, what you observe here, there is sin and cos. So, that means we have to convert these tan terms into sin cos. So, first do that. This is sin x by cos x plus this is sin alpha by cos alpha whole by, same again, sin x by cos x minus sin alpha by cos alpha. This is numerator and this is denominator, all dx. Now take the LCM in both the numerator and denominator. Here what is the LCM? Cos x cos alpha. Here also the LCM is cos x cos alpha. After taking LCM get cancelled. So what do you get in the numerator? Sin x cos alpha. See, sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. Sin x cos alpha, cos x sin alpha. Sin x cos alpha, cos x sin alpha. It is the formula of sin of x plus alpha. Now the denominator. See, sin x cos alpha minus cos x sin alpha. Sin x cos alpha minus cos x sin alpha. It is sin of x minus alpha. Sin of x minus alpha dx. Okay. So, the problem was converted into sin. And then after that, what we have to do? Once observe the given answer again. So, in the answer, there is 2 alpha, 2 alpha, 2 alpha, 2 alpha, 2 alpha, 2 alpha. So, how do you get 2 alpha here? It's very simple. So, sin of, once observe the denominator, in denominator x minus alpha is there now, so that here the numerator can be adjusted based on the denominator. So, sin of x minus alpha plus 2 alpha. So, x minus alpha plus 2 alpha is nothing, x plus alpha, no? Whole by sin of x minus alpha. Sin of x minus alpha dx. So, let us say x minus alpha as a and 2 alpha as b. X minus alpha as a and 2 alpha as b. So, just expand the formula. So, sin a plus b, sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b. Formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So, that is sin of x minus alpha into cos 2 alpha, sin a cos b. Achha. Plus cos of x minus alpha into sin 2 alpha. Numerator formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of x minus alpha cos 2 alpha plus cos of x minus alpha sin. Whole by sin of x minus alpha, I am going to split it. Whole by sin of x minus alpha, this is sin of x minus alpha and this is also sin of x minus alpha. Whole dx. Whole dx. Here of course sin of x minus alpha gets cancelled. So, here in this term only cos 2 alpha remains. Here only the variable of integration is x only because he has given dx. That means alpha is a constant term. So, here only constant term is there. You can write outside of the integration. So, cos 2 alpha into, there is nothing in this term, only 1 dx plus in this term here sin 2 alpha is a constant, so you can write outside of the integration sin 2 alpha into integral of, so cos x minus alpha by sin x minus alpha. So what is the derivative of sin of x minus alpha? Cos of x minus alpha. So of course no problem, right? Cot of x minus alpha dx. So cos 2 alpha into integral 1 dx is x, integral 1 dx is x plus here. What is the integration for cot x? What is the integration for cot x? Just remind the formulas. Cot x integration log mod sin x. What is the integration for tan x? Log mod secant x minus log mod cos x. What is the integration for secant x? Log mod secant x plus tan x. What is the integration for cosecant x? Log mod cosecant x minus cot x. Just remind all those formulas. Just revise all those formulas. So cos 2 alpha into x plus sin 2 alpha into, what is the integration for cot x? Log mod sin x. What is the integration for cot of ax plus b? What is the integration for cot of ax plus b? Log mod sin x sin of ax plus b by a. So what is that a? So don't forget to write the x coefficient in the denominator while doing the integration. So very important thing. Sin 2 alpha into log mod sin of x minus alpha plus c. So once observe, this is a of x into cos 2 alpha. Instead of a of x, what is there? X. And b of x into sin 2 alpha. So sin 2 alpha into b of x. Instead of b of x, what is there? Log mod sin of x minus alpha. So here a of x is nothing but x, and b of x is nothing but log mod sin of x minus alpha. So these model questions are also important. So similar model questions once revise, right? Right. The next question is like this. Integral cos x by sin cube x into 1 plus sin to the power of 6x whole to the power of 2 by 3 dx. This is the question he has given. Integral cos x by sin cube x into 1 plus sin power 6x whole to the power of 2 by 3 dx. Remember, these are all the questions which was given in the mains examination 2019 and 2020 January. So there is nothing difficult in every question, in all the questions. All the questions are easy questions, I think so. Just revise all those models automatically. You can answer the question from definite integration as well as indefinite integration. From the definite integration questions also, is asking simple questions only. Okay, so how do you approach this type of questions? So cos x by sin cube x into 1 plus sin power 6x whole to the power of 2 by 3 dx. See, put sin x is equals to t. I am going to take the substitution. Put sin x is equals to t. So what is the derivative of sin x? Derivative cos x dx is equals to dt. Cos x dx is equals to dt. So that is, this is dt by t cube into 1 plus t to the power of 6 whole to the power of 2 by 3. dt by t cube into 1 plus t to the power of 6 whole to the power of 2 by 3. See, this is the first question what we discussed today in this session. This is the first question what we discussed today in this session. Integral dx by x cube into 1 plus x power 6 whole to the power of 2 by 3. The same question was given in the mains 2 times. So slight change. See, do this question. Okay. Okay, so the next question is like this. This type of questions also important. This is important model. E power to x into integral e power to x into cos x plus 7 sin x dx. Cos x plus 7 sin x dx is equals to e power to x into g of x plus c. E power to x into g of x plus c. Then in this question he is asking about g of 0 plus g of pi by 2 is equals to how much? G of 0 plus g of pi by 2 is equals to how much? So if you want to do these questions, you have to remember 2 different formulas compulsory. Those are integral e power ax into cos bx, the first one, is equals to, the formula is like this, e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. And now the second one is integral e power ax into sin bx dx is equals to, look like same, integral e power ax into sin bx dx is e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. These 2 formulas you should remember, it's mandatory. E power x into cos bx dx, e power x into sin bx dx. So the question is like this. This is the question, e power 2x into cos x dx plus, split it, e power 2x into, 7 is a constant, you can write outside, 7 into sin x dx. 7 into sin x dx. 7 sin x or sin 7x? Yes, 7 sin x. Okay. So clearly it is of the form e power ax into cos bx. Here what is a? 2 and b means 1. Here a means 2, b means 1. Just apply this formula. So what will happen? So e power 2x by 5, 2 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1 into a means 2, so 2 cos x, 2 cos x, b means 1 plus b sin bx, b means 1 plus sin x, plus sin x, plus sin x. Acha. Plus 7 times of, apply the same formula here, e power 2x by 5, e power 2x by 5. Here a means 2 and b means 1, no doubt about it, no change at all. It is 2 sin bx, 2 sin bx minus, 2 sin x, 2 sin x minus cos x, minus cos x plus c, plus c. So take e power 2x by 5 as a common term from both the terms, e power 2x by 5. So then write the remaining terms. 2 cos x plus sin x, here plus 14 sin x, acha, plus 14 sin x minus 7 cos x, minus 7 cos x plus c. So therefore, e power 2x by 5 into, this is 14 sin x plus sin x is 15 sin x, 15 sin x minus 5 cos x, minus 5 cos x plus c. So the finally the answer for this question is e power 2x into 3 sin x minus cos x, 3 sin x minus cos x plus c, 3 sin x minus cos x plus c. Here e power 2x into g of x is given, you got to e power 2x into 3 sin x minus cos x you got. So what is g of x here? 2 3 sin x minus cos x, 3 sin x minus cos x. Right. So this type of questions only he was asking in the mains. Okay, so you have only 12 days to go. You have only 12 days to go for September 1st and 2nd and 3rd. So many people have examination. So you have only 3 days. You have only 12 days. Don't waste your time unnecessarily. Be prepared. Be prepared. Countdown starts. Be practice. If you have any doubts, anybody, if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to ask me. So my contact number is 7702446678. You can ask me any doubt on this number through WhatsApp. Okay, so if you like this video, share and please comment and don't forget to subscribe. So we'll meet in the next video, that is definite integration. Thank you. Bye bye.